Cooking Jenny style. This is a special edition inspired by a beautiful lady called Mrs. Traveler from Handicapped Traveler. She made a video recently, mint chocolate chip cookies. Freaking fantastic. The link will be in the description. Microwave chocolate chip cupcakes. But we're going to make them extra chocolatey, and we're going to add a mint frosting. The easiest, fastest, stress-free way of making a holiday treat for your family. Baking it this way with an oven takes 14 to 16 minutes. Baking it my way takes 2 minutes. Okay. I use water, not milk. No measuring cup. You take enough water to moisten the package. You'll feel it when it goes down like that. Take a fork, mix. Seems a bit thick. Add a little bit more. Next, take your muffin cups. Squeeze into muffin cup. I'm about that full. Spill your chips of magical wonderfulness all over your house. And then drop a couple extra on top. Let's go to the microwave. Quick. You should have that cleaned out, but I didn't do it. 1 minute. No. 1 minute. This costs about $1. I'll put the prices in the description along with the recipe. This costs about $1. This don't cost much at all. Parchment paper from Amazon, not that much. And this is about $1. These are parchment paper muffin cups. These you can put in the microwave. Perfectly ooey gooey, beautiful yumminess. While we wait for the muffins to cool off, we're going to take sprinkles, about $1 at Walmart. That's about $2 for 2 of them. Little tiny peppermint oil. And I like the whipped buttercream frosting. You can use vanilla or whatever flavor you like. Chocolate would even work. I'm using the buttercream because that's what I got. This is peppermint oil. So you take the tiniest drop. That's way too much. So I'm going to scoop that right off the top and start again. Too much is too much. This really only needs a tiny drop. If I can do it. There we go. There's 2 drops. And that will be pretty darn minty too. Just mix it all up. Peppermint also helps with digestion. I find it works wonders on my stomach. And it's pretty festive. So I'm going to take a little bit of these green sprinkles. And dump it right on there. And turn it green. Take a cool cupcake muffin thing. and spread to taste. And if you'd like to be a little extra festive, voila. Christmas magic. Fastest, easiest recipe you'll find on the internet today. I will guarantee you that. You can find me something quicker and faster and easier than that. Definitely shoot me an email. I would like to see this video or that recipe that you find. Because you can't get cheaper, quicker, and easier than this. Shout out to Miss Traveler from Handicapped Traveler. Extra big shout out to MyMuddyMess. She had a birthday on December 16th, and I missed it. I'm very bad at keeping dates, so I would like if you would all go to the link in the description, shoot over to MyMuddyMess, and check out her channel. And if you like it, subscribe and like. And then say happy birthday. It would make her day, I am sure. So happy birthday, Anne. I love you. I didn't mean to miss your birthday. Much love to everyone. Have a happy holiday. Merry Christmas. And be safe and warm. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And as always, be you, do you, and have fun doing whatever it is you do.